My name is Yvonne Hawks, and I want to be your next DeKalb County Superior Court judge. You ask, why do you want to do that? I'm glad you asked that question. Maybe it's because of the leadership experience that I have, the managerial experience and the supervisory experience with 12 years of criminal practice. Or maybe it's the human resources experience, the customer service experience, and 12 years of family law practice. But I come to you with a package beyond that of practicing law. I have life experience, real life experience that I believe will bring a great mix to the bench when I'm elected. And you deserve the full package. You've got the full package here. You have private experience, you have law experience, and I ask you to elect me, Yvonne Hawks, your next Superior Court judge, because you matter.
Thank you all for coming. Several years ago, I had the opportunity to represent a 19-year-old man who was arrested with some ecstasy on him, and he suffered from mental illness, and he spent 18 months in jail waiting for trial just to have his day in court. And we worked with the judge and was able to get him into a rehabilitation facility, and he was able to move on with his life. That was the moment I knew that the Superior Court affects each and every one of our lives in some form or fashion. I've practiced in both criminal law and civil law in state and federal court in DeKalb County and all throughout the state of Georgia. And I've had the opportunity to serve as a part-time judge in DeKalb Recorder's Court. We have to do better and build upon the great foundation that we have here in DeKalb County. And when I'm on the bench, we're going to do exactly that. My name is Michael Rothenberg. Thank you for listening.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for coming to our forum. My name is Denise Warner, and 14 years ago, I was appearing before a judge, and I was a little nervous. It was my first case, and I messed up. And as I was messing up, he said, you know, I think you need to go back out and think about what it is that you need to do. So as I went out there, his former staff attorney was there, and she came running out and she said, look, the first thing that you said was the right thing. Just go back out there and do it. So I went back out there and said, Judge, my name is Denise Warner. I'm here for XYZ. And I couldn't say good looking out for me, but I said, thank you for your patience. And at that time, I learned that I wanted to be a judge because I learned patience and the fact that a judge needs to have great temperament and the fact that they have to have a passion for the law. For the past 14 years, I've made career decisions and professional development decisions to get me to this point. I was in private practice for 9 years as a trial attorney, and for the past 5 years, I've been Judge Mark Anthony Scott's staff attorney in DeKalb Superior Court. I'm uniquely qualified. Thank you very much.